Welcome, advanced English learners. Get ready to dive into the captivating world of idioms. A penny for your thoughts, asking someone what they are thinking about. Example, you've been quiet all day. A penny for your thoughts. A piece of cake, something that is very easy. Example, don't worry about the exam. It'll be a piece of cake. Actions speak louder than words. What someone does is more important than what they say. Example, he promised to help, but his actions speak louder than words. All ears, listening attentively. Example, go ahead, I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. All in the same boat, in the same situation or predicament. Example, we all lost our jobs and the company's downsizing. We're all in the same boat. Apple of my eye, someone or something that is cherished above all others. Example, my daughter is the apple of my eye. Back to the drawing board, starting over after a failure or setback. Example, our plan didn't work. We'll have to go back to the drawing board. Barking up the wrong tree, accusing or blaming the wrong person. Example, if you think I took your wallet, you're barking up the wrong tree. Beat around the bush, avoiding the main topic or not getting to the point. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what you really think. Bait the bullet, facing a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely. Example, I didn't want to do it, but I had to bite the bullet and tell her the truth.